Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best 32-inch grab bar on the market. The Moen stainless steel bathroom safety grab bar with concealed screws and slip-resistant peen texture. Model R8732P. If you're searching for a durable, reliable, and safe bathroom grab bar, this one stands out for all the right reasons. Starting with the design, this grab bar features a 32-inch length and a sturdy 1.25-inch diameter, providing ample space and a comfortable grip for users. What sets this grab bar apart is its slip-resistant peen texture, which is specifically engineered to give you a secure hold even when your hands are wet. This textured finish greatly reduces the risk of slipping, making it perfect for elderly users or anyone who needs extra support in the bathroom. The construction is built to last, made from high-quality stainless steel. This material not only ensures strength and durability but also gives the bar a sleek, modern stainless look that complements most bathroom styles. It's resistant to rust and corrosion, which means it will maintain its finish and functionality over time, even in a humid bathroom environment. Safety is paramount with this product. The Moen grab bar supports up to 500 pounds when installed properly into a wall stud or when using secure mount anchors, which offer additional stability. The screws are concealed, giving the bar a clean, streamlined appearance while maintaining security. Concealed screws also prevent accidental snagging and add to the overall aesthetic appeal. This grab bar complies with the Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA) specifications, ensuring it meets strict guidelines for accessibility and safety. It's a perfect choice for anyone looking to improve bathroom safety for elderly family members, people with disabilities, or just as a precautionary measure in a busy household. Installation is straightforward, but it's important to note that the mounting hardware, secure mount anchors, are not included with the bar, so you will need to purchase those separately for the most secure installation. Once installed, the grab bar offers steady support and peace of mind. The bar measures 35.3 inches long and 3.25 inches wide, with a weight of about 0.69 kilograms, making it lightweight enough to handle during installation but robust enough to hold strong. Moen backs this product with a limited lifetime warranty, which reflects their confidence in its durability and performance. This warranty offers an added layer of security for your investment, ensuring the grab bar will perform well for years to come. In terms of pricing, while it might be on the higher side compared to some basic models, the quality, design, and safety features justify the cost. For anyone serious about bathroom safety and durability, this grab bar is a worthwhile addition. Overall, the Moen 32-inch stainless steel bathroom safety grab bar is a solid choice for anyone needing reliable bathroom support. With its slip-resistant texture, strong stainless steel construction, ADA compliance, and concealed screws, it strikes the perfect balance between functionality and style. Whether you're upgrading your home for better accessibility or just want added security, this grab bar delivers exactly what you need. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.